Hi everyone, it's Deanna Kangas here, Director of Voicehouse, and this week's tip of the week is on your pre-show ritual. Now, I personally think it is really important to develop a pre-show ritual, no matter whether you are new to singing and you're a beginner, or you're someone who's more intermediate to advanced. Having a set ritual that settles your nerves before you go on stage each time is a really great way to make sure you're thinking clearly when you actually get up in front of a bunch of people. Now, it doesn't matter if you're singing in front of 10 or 10,000 people. The ritual can be exactly the same. Me personally, I like to go backstage a good 20 minutes before I go on for a show, and I like to take my time to just take a deep breath, clear my mind, and run through all of the things I need to do whilst gently re-warming up my voice if I haven't already done so, and making sure that I feel ready to go on stage. Now, it's a really important idea to warm up way before a show, just to make sure that at the last minute, if you don't have time, you at least have a baseline to work with. And then backstage, you can just do some really quiet warm-ups just to bring it back up again. Get your voice feeling good, but don't overdo it. You don't want to be tired when you get on the stage. And then once you're feeling good and your mind is clear and you've thought about everything you need to before you head up on stage, once you get out there, you let it all go. All the hard work is already done. You've already done all the practice. You've already just thought about everything you need to think about before you get up there. And then when you get up there, the delivery is the fun part. You should never be working hard on stage. You should just be reaping the benefits of your hard work and effort before that time. So that's my recommendations. Establish your own pre-show ritual. Find things that work well for you, and always make sure you have plenty of water handy too. That's my tip of the week. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. And of course, head to Voicehouse website if you want to know more about our amazing signature program. Best of luck with your singing, and I'll see you next week.